Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create this model. This model in this model, we will understand about the boundary boss space command, hole wizard, simple extrude boss space. This is the exercise for the beginners. Let's start. File, new, part, and OK. Background I am taking plain white, and unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. You can take any other system as per your requirement. Okay, this is the command manager, this is the menu bar, and this is the tab section. This is the view adapt tool, this is the future tree manager, this is the task bar. Okay, we will create a simple model as shown you. Top plane, I am taking top plane sketch. I am taking arbitrary dimension in order to understand what is the boundary boss space, how you can connect it, and hole wizard and simple extrude boss space. Okay, top plane, and I am taking center rectangle. This center rectangle, this one, this dimension I am taking. This dimension I am taking 120 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 80 mm only. This one. Now sketch is fully defined. Future extrude boss space. This dimension I am taking 12 mm only. This one. Okay. Now future fillet. Constant first option. Constant size fillet. Okay. And this dimension I am taking 12 mm. Okay. Items to fillet. If you select this one edge, you will see there is one option is this small window pop up. If this window doesn't come, you can here check it in future tree show selection toolbar. This will disappear. This one. Okay. Clear? This small window will pop up. If this doesn't come, you can check it here. Okay, I am again clicking this one, show selection toolbar. This one, this window comes, you will see the orange color is highlighted on the rest of the three edges. I am clicking this one. There is no need to select one by one. Okay, and hit right button. This is the fillet. This is the fillet of 12 mm. If you evaluate, measure, and this one, this is 12 mm fillet. Okay, this one. Now I will create a hole at the corners. But select this. No, future, go in the future. This is the hole wizard. This one, hole wizard. I have made a separate video on especially this hole wizard. Okay, there are various types of the hole. This is the counter bore hole, this is the counter sink hole, this is the simple hole, this is the various types of the hole, this is the legacy hole. This one, select this one, legacy hole. Legacy hole, here type you can select counter bore, this one. This dia is the main dia. This I am taking 8 mm. Click it, double click it, enter the value required, enter the depth. If in the case of the blind, this will activate, this will work only. Suppose this is the blind and I am giving the depth 12 mm because this thickness is 12 mm. So I am taking 12 mm. This will work. If you keep another option, this, for example, up to next, if you change it, this will not be changed. You will see item is not eligible because its value is this one. So in case of the blind, this will be only work. Double click 12 mm because thickness is 12 mm. You please note this thing. In depth, you can apply only in the blind case. Here, double click. For the other option, you can't. You can directly select the option, then will operate only. You can't operate on that condition depth. Okay. Counter bore dia. This one. Counter bore dia. I'm taking 12 mm. This one. Double click on this one. 12 mm. And this one depth, counter bore hole, depth I am taking only 3 mm. So this one, main die 8 mm, depth is 12 mm. This is the thickness of this one, and 12 mm is the counter bore dia, and 3 mm is the counter bore depth. Okay, and position, select the face, normal, you click this one, you will see blue indication is coming. This one, it means solidity activated. This one, another of this one, another this one. Now I don't want more. Okay, in order to come out this hole, right click and select, or escape key press this one. Now you give the dimension, how you can give the dimension. First select this point, horizontal relation, this one. Okay, this point, and shift key, this one, vertical relation, hit this one, and this point, horizontal relation, this one, this point, and this one, vertical relation. Okay, both are horizontal, this is vertical. Now give the dimension, this one, this dimension I am taking 50 mm. Okay, this one, and this dimension, and this I am taking 15 mm only, and this dimension and this dimension I am taking 15 mm. Okay, sketch is not fully defined. This dimension and this one, this I am taking 15 mm. Now sketch is fully defined, this one. Okay, this one. Now hit the right button. The hole is this one. This is hole is activated. Okay, in this way you can define the counter bore or different types of the holes. I have made a separate video on this hole wizard. Okay, and now front plane sketch normal, this one, front plane normal, this one, this one. I am drawing a circle here, this one, right click, out, smart dimension, this one, bottom, this dimension I am taking 70 mm only, this dimension I am taking 70 mm. Okay, now this dimension and this one, and of this one, this dimension I am taking 110. I am taking arbitrary dimension only, this one. Okay, sketch is not fully defined, and dimension of this circle, I am taking 30 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now at future extrude boss base, this time I am selecting mid plane, and this dimension I am taking 35 mm only, this one. Okay, this I am taking. Now select this sketch, normal, select the ellipse here, this one, dimension of this end of this one is 15 mm. Okay, and this one 15, and this dimension and this dimension, end to end, major axis, this I am taking 65 mm. Okay, this is, first you take the, okay, delete it. Now first you select this point and this point, this origin, horizontal relation, shift key, this one, delete it, this one and this one, delete. First you make the relation, this one, horizontal relation. Okay, now no, this relation, center point of the ellipse and this origin, this one, make a release, this origin. Now make the dimension. Okay, this center point of the ellipse and this one, this is the major axis, this is the minor axis. First center of the ellipse and this origin make horizontal. Now this dimension, this dimension, this dimension, this dimension is I am taking 15 mm only. Okay, this one, and this dimension and this dimension I am taking 65 mm. So this is lie on this line H. 65, 15 is this one, totally 80 mm only. Okay, but sketch is not fully defined. Okay, this dimension, but this is the minor axis. Minor axis I am taking 25 mm. Okay, but sketch is fully defined. Okay, sketch is fully defined. This one. Now out of the sketch. Out of the sketch, front plane, again front plane. This one, normal. This one. This one. Now draw the arc. 3-point arc. First delete it. Normal. 3-point arc. This point and this point. This point and this one. Right click, out. Another 3-point arc. This point and this one. Okay, this arc kept. First you take this arc and shift key and this ellipse. No, delete, shift. This and this pairs relation. This one. This and this point pairs relation. This ellipse and point pairs relation. Okay. Normal. This arc and this one tangent relation. Okay. But sketch is not fully defined. Okay. This dimension take 110. This one. This take 60 mm. Okay, and draw a center line here. Center of the circle. You bring your mouse on the edge, circumference. You will see a center point here. This one and this quadrant. This one, and you bring this point on this. Sketch is fully defined. Okay, this one. Now out of the sketch. Out of the sketch. Okay. Now in future there are swept boss space, lofted boss space, boundary boss space. In the swept boss space you will see we require one profile and one path. Okay. Lofted base space we require 2 or more than 2 profile. Boundary base space. This one. Boundary boss space because we have one profile, 2 paths. Okay, this one, select this path. Select, or first select this circle, this one, and here direction 2. Right click, selection manager. Selection manager, this small window comes. Select this path, first part. This one, this is the open path. Select it. This one and this path. Open path, open group, this one, close this one. This is the in this way you can create it. This one. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal, you can bring these command, normal, diametric, trimetric, in this way. You can right click, customize, here shortcut bars here, the shortcut bar standard views, this one you can bring from here, normal, this one, but I have I have already this commands. You can drag it and bring it here. This is easy for convenience. Okay, I have made separate video for this pin. You can command standard view, command, normal, diametric, can locate on this one. In every when you work in future, sketches, surfaces, you can bring, so it becomes easy. Okay, otherwise you will have to go here, front way, right view, etc. Okay, now this one sketch, I am drawing the sketch on this face. Now circle this point, this dimension I am taking 15 mm. 50 mm, this one, future extrude cut, this one, extrude cut, and this option I am taking up to next. Up to next means end of this one. This is I created this one. Now you can provide the chamfers here, chamfer, dimension chamfer 1 mm. 1 mm chamfer 45 degree, this one, first option. I am using first option, angle distance. This and this one. This one again, chamfer, this and this one. This way, this one. You can add appearance also here from here, future tree manager, this one, this one, this one, appearance, and here this one. Any appearance you can take it, this one. In this way. So this is this in this exercise we have learned the boundary boss space and full wizard and simple extrude boss space and the extrude boss space with the help of mid plane. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed by this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.